What's going on, guys? We got a little video for you today. This is for the marksmen and the hunters. As you might know, there's not that many gun ranges here in South Arkansas, but this is the one that I do know of that's open to the public. It's not commercialized. It's free to go in. There's no attendant or nothing like that. You can shoot whatever you want, however you want, as long as you don't hurt anybody. So what you want to do is go to Bluff City until you see these two signs right here. We're coming from the Camden direction, so we'll be taking a left. If you come from Prescott direction, you'll be taking a right. Basically, you want to turn right here by this store. Well, it used to be a store. Back in my day, when I was younger, it was a store.
Now it's hay bales.
Yeah, now it's hay storage, it looks like. But this is the easiest way I know to get there. You want to take this first left right here, go like you're going to the state park. If you know where the state park is, you probably know where this gun range is, because it's just right up the hill on the right, basically across the highway from the state park. But we're going to show you the easiest way to get there. I got my buddy Joel with me. We're going to do a little bit of fishing after we do some pew-pews. Bad thing about this range is it's not very long range. It is, I can't remember if it's 200 or 300 yards. It's not very big, which, I mean, most deer hunters, that's about the longest shot they're going to have, aside from people that hunt pipelines and roads and stuff like that. They might have a little longer shot than that. For the most part, in Arkansas, I think the average is under 100 yards at the yardage that most deer are killed at. I want to say it's like 57, but I'm not positive on that. So the range is sufficient for what we want to do. Main thing I want to do is check out my deer rifle. I let a friend borrow it the other day and hunt in my stand, or hunt on my property. It's actually his stand, but he missed a deer that he could have thrown the rifle and hit. Personally, I think he just kind of jerked the trigger. But that's a whole nother story. Be careful on this road. There are some sharp curves, including this one we're coming up on right here and the one we just went past. This is a state park right here we're coming up on. If you take a left here, you'll go into White Oak Lake State Park. If you take a right and go up the hill, I don't know if it's at the very top or almost. Yeah, I guess it would be at the very top of the hill. Yep, at the very top of the hill. is the road you want to turn on. Nevada 424. You might not want to come down here in a car either unless you're a good driver. Looks like we got company. I'll try to pull up far enough that you can read the sign in the video. So basically, they don't want any trash left on the range, and it is day use only. You come down here and try to shoot at night, a game warden or park ranger from the state park will pull up on you. So respect the rules they have, and we'll have another video specifically on the range.